Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very first cleaning motivation video. In this particular video, I am going to show you guys our nighttime cleaning routine. My husband and I take turns cleaning up downstairs and putting the baby down. On this particular night, it was my turn to clean up and his turn to put the baby down. Right now, I'm just giving you an overview of what it looks like. It actually got a little bit more messed up after I did this video pan, and you'll see that in this video. So you'll just see that there's things in the floor, Cheerios on the floor from when we were eating dinner. My son had his snack and just lots of things on the table. We ate out this particular evening. We did not cook. So, yep, you see takeout on the table. And I also went to Target this day, so I got a lot of things. I got a couple things to put away. So stick around to see how I clean up this mess. So we're actually having our bathrooms renovated. So my son is being bathed in our sink, our kitchen sink. So he's the first thing to get clean in the sink tonight. So I'm going to start in the family room. I usually like to start here because it's the easiest thing to put back together. One thing about trying to keep a clean home and having small children is I recommend everything have a place. It makes the process of cleaning up go much faster, and you can potentially teach your children how to clean up as well. My child isn't quite there yet, but he's learning. So you'll just see me picking up in the family room. When I'm cleaning up, I usually I like to listen to music in the background, or I like to put on a cleaning motivation video right up on YouTube. It really helps me remain motivated to keep cleaning and get everything done. Right now, I chose to listen to music. I'm listening to her. She's one of my favorite artists. Okay, so excuse my back being towards the camera, guys. This is my first cleaning video. I'll get better at this as I go along, but I am taking a moment to clean off our catch-all table or our console table. I usually try to go through and get the mail and clean that up so that remains clear. And I noticed it was a little dusty, so I decided to go and wipe it down. My son also likes to put his mouth on the patio door, so I'm just taking a moment to wipe it down with some spray away. I had already wiped down the other side of the door before getting to this one. So you'll also see me move on to the table. He loves to put his hands on the sides of the table. They're glass, so I'm just taking a moment to wipe that down also. One of the last things I do when I'm finishing up the family room is I like to use my Shark Vac to vacuum. It's one of my favorite appliances in my home. It's lightweight. I can put it away quickly and pull it out quickly. Once I finish vacuuming in the family room, I usually just continue with vacuuming into the breakfast area and into the kitchen also. Right now I'm cleaning up those Cheerios my son wasted after his dinner. So the Shark Vac also transitions into some sort of a dust buster. I don't know what else you call them. I guess a hand vacuum, that's it. But I'm using it to get the rest of the Cheerios and any other food that was left over in my son's high chair. I really love this high chair. It's made by Ingenuity. It's called the Smart Clean high chair. I love it because there's no fabric involved. Everything is pretty much solid and easy to wipe. So I'm taking a disinfectant wipe and just wiping down his chair, removing all the food. And I'm also wiping down the little chair, the seat pads as well. Now I am tackling our dining table. I'm starting with my son's tray from his high chair. He had some leftover macaroni and cheese from his dinner. My husband and I also tend to work at this table, so this table gets used heavily throughout the day and accumulates a lot of things. So I'm going to get this cleaned up. I don't know about you guys, but one of the most satisfying things for me to watch in other cleaning videos is when there's a lot of mess or clutter in an area and to just see it all disappear. It's a little bit like magic, if you will, but it's one of my favorite things to see. As you can see now, I'm wiping down the table. It's not real marble, it is faux marble. It just has the look of it. I'm using a microfiber cloth to use it. Sometimes I use paper towels, just depends on what's handy. I have both. So just getting this cleaned up with some Lysol all-purpose disinfectant spray. I also like to clean the chairs because we put our hands on here a lot, so giving those a wipe as well. Moving on to the kitchen counters, I'm getting these cleared. I'm putting away some of my son's bibs that I had washed before, so they're just going in a nearby drawer. And I'll also be putting away my Target purchases in the cabinets below. So ever since last year, I'd like to keep disinfectant wipes and some type of disinfectant spray and hand sanitizer handy and available at all times. I'm sure everyone knows why this is. Do you guys have a disinfecting or sanitizing station that you have set up? I honestly don't see this going away anytime soon. For me, it's actually pretty handy and very useful. I'm continuing to clear off the counters. I didn't need to clean off the oven because we didn't use it to cook dinner. It had been cleaned a little bit earlier today from when we did cook lunch and eat together. Here is my sink. That residue that you see is oatmeal bath. We gave my son an oatmeal bath this evening, and so I'm just cleaning it out of the sink. I do not have a stainless steel sink. I actually don't know what this material is. I just know that I like it because it doesn't rust, it doesn't hold stains, and it's very easy to clean and upkeep. I'll look for the name if I can find it. I'll flash it here in the video or put it in the description box. But here I am just cleaning it out and preparing it for the dishes. I noticed that I did not put the dishes away earlier today. Sometimes I like to do that. It makes the nighttime routine go by faster for whether it's me or my husband doing it. So I had to take some time to empty the dishwasher, and now I am filling it with the dirty dishes. Okay, so do you guys wash your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher? I like to rinse all of them before putting them in there. I just feel like they come out cleaner. There's less of a chance for any residue to be on them. And I mean, I just like to do it. I don't think my husband does it, but I like to do it. Is that something you guys do? Do you like to wash your dishes or rinse them rather before putting them in the dishwasher? One other thing I really like to do is group my silverware or cooking utensils when I'm putting them in the dishwasher. It makes it so much easier to put everything away after it's done. I have all my forks together, so I put all the forks away. I have all my cooking utensils together. They all go in the same place. It just makes putting everything away way more efficient. So I am hand washing this pan because I really like it. Me and my husband, or my husband and I, actually don't usually hand wash our pans because we plan to get a new set. So we actually got pretty lazy and just started putting them in the dishwasher. This is the only one that I think we hand wash right now. Another thing to love about my son's high chair is that it has a detachable tray on top of the tray. So it serves as like a little plate and you don't have to get the entire tray messy. I do like to wash the whole thing at the end of the night because after we've gotten through 3 meals, if he's at home all day, then the whole thing needs to be washed. But I don't usually have to do that during the week because we only use it once and it's just the top portion. So I can just snap that off, wash it, and let it dry. Now I'm just filling the bottom of the sink to make sure I've gotten everything out that I needed to wash. I did come across some medicine dispensers that I needed to rinse out. and I will re-clean the sink. So this part will be done. Now I'm just taking some time to wipe any standing water or soap off of the sink and giving the faucet a little wipe. So I'm going to go over my kitchen countertops with these granite and stone disinfectant wipes. I found these at Target. They tend to leave a little bit more of a shine. And now I'm also going to give my trash can a wipe. My son is short and this is right at his level and he loves to put his hands on it. So I try to keep it as clean as I can. So here is a peek in my under kitchen sink organization. It's not perfect, but it works for me. I'm refilling the paper towels now, and I'm about to give my kitchen floors and the family room floors a quick mop with my Rubbermaid Reveal mop. I love this mop because I can put whatever cleaner I would like in it, and it works really fast, and it's very easy to clean as well. My camera does go out before I reach the family room, but I do finish the whole thing. And we are done. All of the dishes have been put away. I like to start it and put it on a delayed start just so I don't forget to do it. A lot of times we get upstairs and we forget to turn on the dishwasher, but it's okay. But I didn't forget tonight, so this is me turning on the dishwasher. I have a clean countertop, a clean kitchen, and a very cute husband that decided that he needed a snack. So that's him. Thank you guys for tuning into my very first cleaning motivation video. I hope you found this satisfying and motivating. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great night. I'm about to eat my grapes.